represent Volvo Car India, and today I am here in front of you to explain about the two new introduction in our family, and I'm really happy that you all have taken time to come here. So thank you so much for coming here, and let me take you through some more details about the cars that we have to offer to our customers. So first of all, I would like to inform you what is our current lineup of cars in India. So you can see we have, you can see on the screens on your left and right, you can see here that in India we have two petrol cars, which is XC40 and all new S60. S60 is the one which we introduced in the beginning of this year. Then we have a few diesel cars, which is XC60, XC90 and S90 are the diesel offerings to our customer currently. And then we have XC90 T8. There is an adaptive cruise control. If a car is moving, you know, like in our roads when we are driving the car, some car comes from left or right, and then these are some of the blind corners which customers comes in these four colors. You can see crystal white, bright silver, onyx black and danny blue. These are the colors offered on this particular car, and our customers can choose amongst these colors, and accordingly they can drive the particular car. With that, now it's the time to introduce the new petrol mild hybrid Volvo S90. This is the car on my right. So I will request the new petrol mild hybrid S90. This will be offered to our customers at an ex-showroom price of 61.9 lakhs. So this is something which is a very unique offering to our customers, and I'm sure our customers will be excited to drive this car. And this is the price for that.
Above 61 years.
Yeah.
It has got added features.
Correct.
Maybe around 65.
Yeah, this is 61.9. Same, you can see on the screen of yours. There is something else also that is coming along with this car. You know, like we all are purchasing it at a just cost of just 75,000 rupees plus tax, and they will be able to avail along with these cars during this festive season. So this is another offering as part of the festive lifetime parts warranty. This is first of its kind of initiative in India, wherein a customer who has got their car serviced and got some particular parts replaced at our Volvo car dealership, and customer has purchased this particular part, customer will be able to enjoy the lifetime warranty on that part as long as that genuine parts, and it will be available at all authorized Volvo dealership across India. We launched this, which I am very happy to share with all of you. With that, I come to what is the now portfolio that we will be having. So as you have seen this slide in the beginning, we have a few petrol cars and then a few diesel cars and two new mild hybrids. In future it will move towards electrification as well. These two new members in our family are offering. So you can see on your screen all the features that I explained in a net summary. You can take a screenshot of that, and maybe definitely it will be useful for you if you're interested. And this is the department car. And during this festive season, we have also offered the and rear wheel package.
ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಓಲೋ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸೊ S90
Sorry sir, can
Today you launched this Volvo car.
Hindi is okay.
Yeah. उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा बोलिए.
Yeah, today we are very excited to announce the introduction of two new cars in our Volvo cars family. S90 and XC60 both are new petrol mild hybrid cars, and we are very happy to introduce you these cars to our customers for Karnataka market. Both these cars are having some very good features like Google assistance, like Bliss, and also there are good features in the cars which our customers have been liking a lot for quite a long time. All those features for which the Volvo is known for are available in this car, and this is another step in the direction of our sustainable mobility in a safe, sustainable, and a personal way.
ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್
Now it is available in the showroom. Customers can take a test drive of the car, take a demo of the car, and maybe book the cars and take the delivery of the car.
Sir, what is the lead time? Lead time for delivery?
Sir, it purely depends on the color choice and things that customers make. So the cars are available now, but it purely depends. Customer wants which color car, which combination of the car. So accordingly, our dealership can exactly share what will be the lead time for the particular car that customer is
Some
choosing.
people are very particular about owning the car on a particular day.
Yeah, sir. I will completely
You have
respect.
to make that available to them, because if somebody wants to have it on Diwali, they want it on Diwali.
Yes, that's
So
absolutely.
what is the arrangement for that?
Whatever the cars that for which the dealerships are already in touch with our customers, accordingly the orders are being
That's the
taken.
reason I asked you what is the lead time.
Yeah. So as I said, I'll not be able to exactly comment on the lead time because it purely depends upon this. But yes,
Being a launch, I think we will be having all the variants of cars
yes,
readily available.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಂ
right. Sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್